Hello, good afternoon, children. Subject EVS, and today's date is 7th September 2021, and day is Tuesday. Today's topic is organ system of our body. Okay, children. First point, children. The organs in human body forms different organ systems. Isn't it, children? In our body, we have different types of organ systems. Isn't it? All organ systems together form an organisms or living beings. Isn't it, children? All together works in human body, in living beings together. Isn't it, children? Next point, the different organ systems are. Which are the different organs in a human body, in our body, children? Yeah, here are the organ systems. First one, children, digestive system. What work it does in human body? Now I am going to explain with the pictures, see, children. Okay. Children, this is the picture of digestive system. Digestive system which help us to take in food and make it ready for us by the body. Okay, children. When we take in food through our mouth and chew it with the help of teeth, the chewed food mixes with saliva with the mouth and becomes soft. It then reaches the stomach. In the stomach, the chewed food gets mixed with digestive juice and changes into a soluble form. This soluble food finally goes into the small intestine where it is absorbed by the blood. The undigested food goes to the large intestine from where it is passed out of the body as waste through anus. Okay, children, whatever we are eating the food, no, that it changes into energy. Okay, children. Second one, circulatory system. How it works? What is that? In the picture, I am going to explain you now. Children, in this picture, you are seeing that circulatory system. Okay, children. Circulatory system is nothing but the heart, the blood and the blood vessels together form the circulatory system. The heart pumps to the blood to different parts of the body through blood vessels. See, children, round they are showing, no? This is blood. Okay. The blood supplies oxygen and food to the cells of the body. Okay, children. To keep our body healthy, the blood should be running in our body, isn't it, children? With the help of circulatory system. Understood? Third one, respiratory system. How it works, children? Respiratory system. How the picture will be the respiratory system. Now I am going to show you now. Okay. This is the picture of respiratory system. Children, respiratory system supplies oxygen to all parts of the body. This system consists of nose, windpipe and lungs. We breathe in air through our nose. The air in the nose traps dust and germs. From the nose, the air goes to the lungs through the windpipe. In the lungs, the blood takes oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. Okay, children. You can see you will be breathing in and out, isn't it, children? When we breathe in, we take oxygen, and when breathe out, no, we will breathe carbon dioxide. Okay, children. Fourth one, skeletal system. How many bones will be there in a skeletal system in our body? There are 206 bones, isn't it, children? About this skeletal system, now I am going to explain in the images. Okay, children, in this picture you are seeing that skeletal system. Okay, it consists of all bones, joints, etc. Our body is made up of 206 bones. Okay, children, keep in your mind how many bones are there in human body? 206. Bones are of many shapes and sizes. All these bones form a framework of our body called the skeleton. The skeleton provides shape and support to our body. Skeleton, it also protects the delicate organs like heart, brain, lungs, and other inner parts from getting injured. The skull protects the brain and the backbone protects the spinal cord and helps us to stand straight. Okay. Next, ribs protects our heart and lungs. Okay, children. Fifth one, muscular system. How it works, what work it does in our human body. Now I am going to explain you now. Okay. Children, this is a picture of muscular system. Okay. Muscles are attached to bones and help us to move. Muscles and bones together help us to walk, smile, kick, move or lift our body parts. Okay, children? Sixth one, nervous system. What does nervous system does in our body? With the images I am going to explain now. Children, this is the picture of nervous system. Okay. Nervous system sends order to different organs of the body for action. Okay. Our brain receives messages from the sense organs and sends order for action through nerves. This system controls all our action like seeing, hearing, speaking, learning and so on. The bundle of nerves that runs from the brain to the back is called spinal cord. The brain is like a computer that controls all body function. Okay, children? Seventh one, excretory system. What it works, how it works, in the images I'll show you. Okay? This is the picture of excretory system. It removes of waste from our body is done by excretory system. Kidneys are the main organs of the excretory system. Okay, children? Kidneys remove waste materials in the form of urine. Urine is nothing but you will pass the toilet, isn't it, children? The skin also acts as an excretory organ. It removes excess water and salts in the form of sweat. At last, eighth one, reproductive system. In human body, how it works reproductive system? For men or women, it works. Now I am going to explain in the images, okay? This is the picture of reproductive system. This system helps human beings to give birth to babies. Okay? Because of this system, life continues from one generation to the next generation. Okay, children? Thank you, children. Bye. Take care of your health. Stay at home. Okay?